right, new tonight, Hoosiers are postponing vacations and rethinking spring break plans as U.S. health officials warn of a global coronavirus pandemic.
Yeah, the outbreak also halting shipments of certain products to Indiana stores. News 8's Julia Dang is here now to break down the local impact. And Julia, there are no confirmed cases of coronavirus here in Indiana, right?
That's right, Phil. But a woman from Cass County, Indiana, who was on a quarantine cruise ship in Japan did test positive. She is now being treated in California. Here in Indianapolis, I talked to a travel agent today. His clients are worried about not only getting on cruises, but flying to China and Italy. Alex Cuton, longtime owner of Travel Leaders Indy, could use a vacation of his own. On top of his usual workload, he is monitoring updates from the CDC as coronavirus cases rise in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East.
Twice a day, we get the most current updates.
He and co-owner, wife Geneva, have been sharing travel warnings and outbreak figures with clients. Their staff urging Hoosiers not to panic.
There's a higher percentage rate that are dying from the flu.
But some Indy travelers now holding off on vacation amid a viral outbreak with no vaccine.
And those clients have been the ones that have been booked to go to Asia. Some of the clients are really talking about, maybe canceling their plans to Italy.
The streets and canals of northern Italy quiet, with more than 220 coronavirus cases in that country, the largest outbreak outside of Asia.
Current global circumstances suggest it's likely that this virus will cause a pandemic.
Meantime, factory output in China stalled, adding to fears of a global economic downturn. The everyday impact to Americans already apparent. For some, counting down to their big day.
It could be the stones. It could be even the thread that's utilized.
Wedding gown shipments delayed by the outbreak at this shop in Kansas. A bride in Indianapolis tells News 8 she was warned about potential delays at this shop in the Castleton area. They were closed Tuesday and didn't reply to emails from News 8. The scope of long-term economic impacts still unclear.
This is going to clip something off first quarter GDP.
At this mom-and-pop travel agency, every cancellation call is a hit to their bottom line.
Anytime somebody cancels, of course it does.
During a briefing this afternoon, top U.S. health officials warned Americans to brace for the spread of coronavirus in this country, as CDC officials saying it's a matter of when, not if.